Hey out there, YouTube, how we doing? Alright, well, today we're going to take a look at the folding, the Camillus Stroud SK Desert folding knife that came as part of the 2-pack. So stay tuned right after we roll that intro, and we're going to get right into it. Alright guys, now this is the last in our 4-part series of Reality Star Survival Blades. Now when you buy this package, as I stated in a previous video, I'm going to try to leave a link right up here. Hopefully I've been smart enough to make a playlist so you can see them all. When you buy with this pack, you're going to get a fixed blade and a folder, all in the same pack. Now it is made by Camillus. Not a huge fan of theirs, but, you get that inside the packaging, which teaches you basically how to wash your blade. And, their little whoever's on the back. Now, like with every other Bear Grylls blade out there, as you can see right here, you're going to get a Les Stroud Pocket Survival Guide. Alright, it's not that bad. Forgive me, I failed to show this in the other one, but, and there we go. Okay, so here we go with the blade. Now, I gotta tell you, honestly, when I first saw it, it looked like a $5 Ozark Trail blade to me. Honestly, it really, truly did. Okay? Now, like with the Gerber line, Les Stroud's got, his signature right there, because I think the Bear Grylls line just has Bear and a big BG down here somewhere. But here we go with the stats and all the other fun stuff. Now, it's got an overall length of about 7.5 inches. Close, it's about 4.5. And the blade is 3.25 inches. It comes in with a smaller weight of about 4.2 ounces. Honestly, a lot of that just feels like it's the pocket clip to me. Now, it has the drop point style with, as they call it, the non-stick blade. It's 440 stainless steel, and this is the part that always kills me. They go, it's carbon nitride titanium bonded steel. Now, when you go look all that up, basically it seems like Camillus is trying to inject other chemicals into the mixture to make their blades stronger, last longer, sharpen better, all that other fun stuff. But, yeah. Okay. It has a one-position pocket clip in the standard Camillus logo right there. It's got a little liner lock, and I gotta tell you honestly, after a while it starts to become a problem. See? Now what I thought was fascinating, no, that's not a blade or any problems down there. They give you a Ferris rod that slides right in there. Just like with the fixed blade, there's a little notch right there designed to, go on there, and that way you don't have to worry about 90-degree spines. It does have a weird little lanyard hole right there. Now, I gotta tell you honestly, this thing's kind of a joke to me. I expected a little bit better from a folder from Les Stroud. And this is what kills me is, where is it? So it's his signature series, and I think there was something around here that says he personally tests out all this wonderful stuff. Yeah, so if he tested this out and gave his approval, Camillus screwed it up. Alright. They really did. But now what we usually do is go out and take a look at costs and ratings, because I want to know what everybody else thinks. Now this blade over on Camillus's website by itself is $25.58. Or you can find that out on, Amazon for $54.41. And basically, for double your cash, you're going to get that massive fixed blade. Now, for ratings wise, it's got a 4.4 out of 5-star rating, excuse that, over on Camillus's website with 8 reviews. Basically, everyone either loves this blade and think it's the coolest folder ever, or it's a piece of crap and the screws were falling out. And just like I showed you a moment ago, that liner lock, it becomes a problem. Now, this thing has not been rated over on Amazon. But, that's my quick look. I want to know what you think down below, like usual. All right? Leave your questions, comments, your hatred. I don't care. Leave some down there. I want to know you're out there watching and what you're thinking. If you're a first-time viewer of the channel, I want to thank you so much for taking a moment of your day to watch this video. It means the world to me that you chose our videos. Now you're going to see a symbol popping up over here. That's going to bring you right to subscribe. After you click on subscribe, don't worry, I'll wait a second. After you've done that, click on the bell icon that is right next to it. That's going to notify you every single time we upload a brand new video. Now, speaking of videos, 2 of them are going to pop up over here. Those are going to be videos that YouTube thinks are a good viewing experience for you from my catalog of videos. But you know what, guys? The next video on this, I think I'm going to do a 5th. Seriously, I think I'm going to do a 5th. And we're going to put the fixed and folder from Bear side by side with the fixed and folder from Les Stroud. And we're going to kind of go over everything again. That we can see them side by side. But thank you so much for watching. This was the Camillus Les Stroud SK Desert Folding Knife. Have a great one, guys.